On the road repairs. All right, guys, we are in Dumfries, Virginia at a Walmart parking lot. Where is Walmart? Right there. Now, this isn't just any Walmart. We've actually been to this Walmart before, and it's an experience we won't forget because about 1.5 years ago we were here. And for those of you who've been following us for a while, you'll remember this episode because our bus was parked, if I remember right, our old bus, this is the old Good News bus, was parked right there. Chris and Rachel's camper was parked right here, just getting to bed in the bus, and we hear 3 gunshots, boom, 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 coming from actually the direction of this filling station, the Shell filling station over here. We sit up in bed, and we're like, what's going on? What is that? I opened up the window, and running right in front of the bus, right across the parking lot, going that way, there was a guy with a backpack just trucking across the parking lot. So I'm like, okay, that was obviously the guy that fired these shots. Chris, who's from England and probably isn't used to hearing just gunshots at random, I come over to his camper window, and he's got the camper window open, and he's peering out. I heard gunshots out there. So we're coming to this area for the night before we continue on. And Julie's like, hey, do you want to stay at that same Walmart? And I'm like, sure, we're all about adventure, right? Who knows what might happen tonight. See you in the morning, I hope. All right, so we have to do a little repair today while we're on the road. I was noticing the other day when I was back here putting fuel in the generator that this hose right here was ballooning out. So as the bus heats up, it expands, and it's not supposed to do that. I'm worried that it's going to rupture while we're driving. So I went to an auto parts store and I found this hose, so I'm gonna have to cut it to be the same because they didn't have this exact hose that I needed. Stupid thing was like 30, 40 bucks.
Smell that clover.
All right, and then we just gotta put that bolt back in, Ashton. The old pipe, and you'll notice, you can see it's like flared out, but I definitely did not want to get down the road and have that. All right, let's start her up.
Elisha, Ethan, and I are working on some school. I have allergies, apparently. There's a lot of trees that are in bloom and flowers popping out and pollen in the air. So it's not really fun for me right now.
Write these words, saying them slowly in syllables. Write the number of syllables after each word.
Hey guys, we just entered Maryland.
Hi. Say hi.
All right, so we've run into some major traffic here. It's just been very slow going.
That's you.
Yeah. In the air, probably.
Right? Right there.
Wow, isn't that pretty? I love this kind of countryside. All these. Alright, we're about to cross the Delaware state line. Turn right onto what's
So what we generally do when we find a place we can dump our tanks and get water is everybody will jump in the shower, we'll fill our tanks up, jump in the shower, they all take showers, and then we can dump our gray water in our black water tank and refill our water tanks. So when we leave here, everybody's showered and our tanks are all empty.
So I don't get it. What's the dog kennel for?
Stay here, we're locking you in.
Daddy.
All right, so here at Cabela's, most Cabelas that we know of have a dump station. They have water. The water's free, and then their dump station, like at this one, is only $5.
All right, everybody is showered and we're back on the road.
So we're crossing the Delaware Memorial Bridge.
The day is over. I guess we'll have a nice restful evening.